guys, I am so glad you clicked on this video and you're here on my channel. I am super pumped to do today's video because I love doing these like daily vlogs and like what I eat in a day. And for me, I love watching them on YouTube. I feel like I'm always watching what I eat in a day just to get like new ideas of healthy and just like healthy food, to be completely honest. So I just pulled in the gym parking lot. I am just going to be getting ready for that. I just need to put my hair up and then put my shoes on. But I wanted to start this video here, and it is currently 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm going for a gym session. So lately I've been loving Monday. It's not even Monday. Lately I've been loving morning gym sessions just because I feel like it just makes me even more productive throughout the whole entire day. And I don't know, so I work from home a lot of the week. Like, I do model as well, so I don't work from home every single day of the week, but most of my weeks are me working from home. And I was going to the gym midday, and honestly, like, I felt kind of sluggish, and then I started doing these like workouts as soon as I woke up, like coming to the gym, drinking my warm lemon water, because you know, until the day I die, I'm always gonna have my warm lemon waters in the mornings. But I just had a half a banana, and I almost forgot to tell you guys this, and this is what I eat in a day. So I'm eating a half a banana before I go into the gym. It depends on the day, if I'm like more hungry than usual or if I'm not, and like what I ate the night before. But I'm kind of hungry this morning, and I'm a little bit more tired, which I need to wake up. But yeah, if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I post new videos weekly, and give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. And let me know if you guys have any requests. I'm gonna be trying to upload like more content. I have been so freaking busy with classwork and stuff, so that's why like I missed, I think it was it last week's upload or 2 weeks ago upload? I don't know, but I just like hate missing a week because I love doing YouTube, and I actually just hit my 2-year mark of doing YouTube consistently. So I actually had a channel from like 2015. So I've been actually on YouTube for like 4 years, but I have since deleted those videos. Fun fact, I was a makeup guru, blogger, vlogger person, and yeah, obviously I switched that. I'm fitness now. But I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go to the gym and get a workout in. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing today, and then I will chat with you guys later. Okay, I just got out of the gym, and I am going to eat this other half of the banana that I was just talking about. And then also I made my BCAAs this morning from Tropica, so I'll leave them down below. If you watch my videos, you know that I drink the BCAAs after every workout that I can. Sometimes I forget to do it, to be completely honest. This is not sponsored or anything, but this just helps promote lean muscle, and then it helps with fatigue and just like gets me going in the morning. And then I also have my coffee. So I drink a couple different things in the morning, as you could see, but I'm feeling really good. I had a great gym session. I don't know if you guys do this, but it's a hair washing day for me today, and if I go to the gym before, you know, I shower, which most likely I will, I make sure I just like sweat my face off, just so like I could like get my hair, like my hair just like sweats and it's like slicked back, and I know it's a good workout, and I love hair washing days for that reason. Fun fact. But yeah, anyway, I'm going home to make some breakfast. I typically do eggs and bacon, so that is probably what I'll do. It really doesn't change unless I don't have eggs or something. I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna drive, and then I will talk to you guys when I get home. Right, officially good morning, cheers with some coffee. So I'm just about to make some breakfast, and like I said, I'm gonna make some turkey bacon and then eggs. So I mean, I feel like I've shown it like 700 times in these videos because that is what I make every single morning. I'm not kidding, every single morning. I love it. It's like my jam. And yeah, but I am just doing some work. You can see my laptop and planner down there, but I just posted an Instagram video. I just posted an Instagram post. It's a workout video, so let me show you guys. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me, because I tell you, I do like little videos on Instagram of like me working out, and sometimes I'll incorporate them in my YouTube video as well. But anyways, I just did that. I'm gonna upload a new YouTube video this morning. I'm hoping to get up 2 YouTube videos this week, and that's why I'm so excited to be done with college, because like I feel like I could just like work full-time on like my stuff, like YouTube, like freelancing, Instagram, and like maybe I can pump out like 3 videos a week. That'd be insane. But I'm hoping for like 2 after I graduate. I don't know if you guys can relate, but yeah, that is my story right now. I'm gonna make some breakfast. I kind of have been procrastinating breakfast. It's 10:20 right now. Usually I eat a lot earlier, but that's my life right now. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Turkey bacon for the win, and then some eggs. Yes, give me all the eggs. How many eggs do you guys eat like in a normal serving? I typically go from like 2 to 3, but I would like to know. So let me know in the comments. Oh my gosh, I think I have a pear left. It's looking a little rough. Seen better days, but I'm gonna have that as a fruit as well. I just had a banana, and I've been like, I don't know, guys, I can eat like fruits and veggies for literally all day, every day, and I need to like cut down on my fruit intake just because it's a little bit more sugar, but you know, you just gotta live your best life sometimes. Well, you know how I just told you that I was gonna have poached eggs and how much I love poached eggs, which is still true, but unfortunately my egg poacher is currently in the dishwasher. The dishwasher is going, it is like in the middle of the cycle, so we're gonna go with some scrambled eggs today, which I guess is fine, like still good, still love eggs. But okay, this is my breakfast. I am so excited to eat it because it looks amazing. I put ketchup on my eggs. Let me know if you guys do too. I seriously love it. Okay, now it's lunchtime. Oh, we had a carrot run away, but I just grabbed some carrots with some ranch and then bologna and cheese, and I'm not that hungry yet, so this is kind of just gonna be a little snack slash lunch type of thing. So I'm gonna eat that, and then I will talk to you guys soon. Hello guys, thought I would check in. I just finished recording another YouTube video, and I'm just kind of laying down. My little angel girl is up there. She is tired. It's nap time, and I just like haven't been hungry today, so I don't want you guys to like watch this video and be like, does she like not snack? Like, does she not eat? Oh girl, I snack, I eat, I love myself some food. So maybe later I'll make a snack or something, like something fun. I just feel like I just like don't want this video to just be like food. I want it to be like beneficial to you and like give you new ideas and stuff. So that is where we're at right now. I'm just gonna give you a view of my nose, sorry. But I am just about to go shower. I just recorded that video that will be, I don't know if I'll post this video first or that video first. Kind of just depends, because I want to get 2 videos up this week. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna I don't know why, like I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm gonna go shower and then I'll probably have a snack after that. So then I'll talk to you guys then. Okay, I just got back from walking my dogs and I feel like all fresh and clean. It is such a nice day outside. It's like 70 degrees and the sun is shining. It's like blue sky. I'm actually almost on the hot side, so I think I'm gonna make a protein smoothie. So I'll show you what I put in that and just make something refreshing right now. It is 3 p.m. and that's what I'm gonna do. All right, this is everything I'm gonna put in this protein smoothie. So honestly, if I have strawberries, instead of frozen strawberries, I'll pick the regular strawberries over the frozen any day. I don't know why. I think it just makes it more creamy. Half a banana since I already had a whole banana this morning. Maca powder, collagen for her, collagen peptide powder, and then First Form vanilla ice cream. Level 1. So that is what I'm gonna put in there, and yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Pretty toasty, aren't you, girlfriend? This floor is so cold. Is that why you like it? Yeah, you're so hot. Are you warm from our walk? Okay, taste test. It came out more of a juice instead of a smoothie, but that's alright. What can you do? Overall, very good and really refreshing. Highly recommend protein shakes. I don't know if I should call this a late lunch or an early dinner. I don't know, but I am eating some meatballs with some spaghetti noodles. So I just want to say, like, I do eat carbs in my diet because I have been weight training more, and you know, it's fine if you eat them intuitively. Obviously I don't want to like go eating like max out on carbs, like all the bad carbs. I need good complex carbs for my life right now, so I am eating that, and I don't know if I'll eat something later, so I'll keep you guys updated, but that is what I'm going to be snacking on now, and I'm just gonna chill and watch some YouTube. Okay, y'all, now for dessert is this. It's like a dilly bar, but it's a carb smart bar, and there's only 13 grams of carbs in this, and I'm telling you, it is the best dessert. You can't even tell that it's lower in carbs. I'll have to like leave a picture somewhere, but I just picked them up at Walmart and they are amazing. Like, definitely a staple dessert to have. All right, hello guys, sorry it is so dark, but it is like 7:30 and I am just getting in bed to watch a movie, maybe watch some YouTube videos, I'm not sure yet. But that is all for my what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up because that supports me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every single week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!